Hey guys, Brandon Kelly with Spangler Restoration. I'm here with Nate Mullins, our production manager for the Raleigh office and the project manager for this job. We're on a large loss that occurred January 6th, which went into production on our end in the middle of January. It's now the middle of April and the job is complete, ready for the homeowners to move back in. Nate, why don't you give us an overview of some of the things that went into this job?
Well, Brandon, this house had a major overhaul. This home had all new windows put into it, all new trusses, all new up-to-code insulation, brand new fireplace, new HVAC, new plumbing, electrical, all new fixtures, new kitchen cabinets, new bathroom cabinets, all new solid surface countertops, new tile and flooring. Because we replaced all of the windows in the home, the homeowners had the opportunity to change their grid pattern in their windows. They went with a more modern grid pattern than your basic 6-panel grid pattern. One thing I'm really excited about in this project was a new water heater. Because they had a nice tankless water heater before, we went with an updated version of the Norditz tankless water heater. In their new kitchen we installed granite countertops, matte finish, give it a real nice touch. The customer chose painted cabinets with cushion close, drawers and doors, full overlay doors, and 42-inch uppers. And one of the corner cabinets has a built-in Lazy Susan. One of the unique features that we were able to bring to this kitchen were their floating shelves. The new master bathroom features a number of upgrades, bringing much more light and usability to the bathroom. The homeowners chose Carrara marble countertops, one of my favorites, for their master and hall bath. This new master bathroom shows off a bunch of new updates, bringing much more function to the bathroom. We found some inefficiencies in the original build of this home. We were able to correct them and find more space for the master closet.
In this industry, we work with people at typically a very low point in their lives. A disaster like this can be very difficult to deal with. Thankfully for us, we get to take them back to a high point and give them back the home that they once had. If a disaster like this happens to you or someone that you know, we hope that you'll call Spangler Restoration to return your home or business back to the way that it was before the disaster started. Because at Spangler Restoration, we know trust matters.